Yo, what's up? Welcome back to the tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to fix sorry you have been blocked on your Discord app. You are unable to access discord.com error on your device. So let's get started without wasting any time. So there are a couple of steps to solve this issue. The very first thing what you need to do is just you have to go back to your home screen, and what you need to do is first of all, open up here App Store, and then here what you need to do is just search for the Discord app. And once you have searched for these, what you need to do is just you have to check if any updated version of Discord is available. Then what you need to do is just you have to update your Discord app to the latest version, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So if this trick doesn't work for you, then go for the next one. For that, what you need to do is just open up here Stix app on your device and scroll it below here and tap on general, and then here is software update. From here what you have to do is just you have to make sure that if any pending update is available here, what you need to do is just you have to update your device to the latest version, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the next method. For that, what you need to do is just you have to open up again here settings app on your device, and then scroll it below here and then tap on general, and again scroll below, and here is the iPhone storage, so tap on this. And from here what you need to do is just you have to locate your Discord app here. So once you have Discord app here, here it is. What you need to do is just tap on this and offload the app from here, and then reinstall it again and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then what you need to do is just you have to uninstall your Discord app from your device and then reinstall it again and reboot your device by pressing and holding the combination of the keys according to your device. And after this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if all of these tricks doesn't work for you, then what you need to do is just you have to wait for some time, because the team is working to solve the issue on Discord app. So that's pretty much for today's tutorial. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any problem, let me know in the comment box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.